How to shuffle cards for poker the right way. Spread out the cards face down on the table and mix them up. Gather them together with the cards facing away from you, towards the other players, then split the deck. When splitting the deck, be sure to keep the cards face down close to the table. Perform a riffle shuffle by bending the corners up of each half of the deck and interlacing the cards. While keeping the cards face down on the table, push them together. Do 2 more riffle shuffles, then box the cards by cutting it 3 times on top of itself. Do another riffle, then, using a card from another deck that has a different back, called the cut card, cut the deck on top of this card. Now you can deal. The cut card helps ensure no one sees the bottom card, as well as helps prevent the dealer from cheating by dealing off the bottom.